Mastering Zero Conditional. Make English your second nature. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to dive deeper into the world of English grammar, specifically focusing on the zero conditional. In our real-life application and usage section, we'll explore how this grammar rule is applied in everyday scenarios, so you can naturally use it in your conversations. Let's jump in. Firstly, let's revisit what we know about the zero conditional. It's used to express general truths or habitual actions where one event always follows another. In this condition, we use the simple present tense in both clauses. For example, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If it rains, people usually carry umbrellas. These sentences indicate facts that are generally true. Now let's talk about how the zero conditional appears in our daily lives. 2.1 Everyday Instructions. Zero conditional is often used for instructions, particularly in manuals or recipes. For instance, if you press the power button, the device turns on. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. 2.2 Habitual Actions. We also use zero conditional to talk about what people usually do in certain situations. If I have free time, I read books. If it's sunny, she goes to the beach. 2.3 Scientific Facts. In scientific contexts, zero conditional is used to state facts. If you drop an object, it falls to the ground. If plants get sunlight, they grow. Zero conditional may seem very formal, but it's actually quite common in everyday conversation. Let's look at a dialogue. Alice. What happens if I touch this button? Bob. If you touch that button, the alarm goes off. Practice creating your own sentences using zero conditional. Remember, the key to mastering any language skill is consistent practice and application. And there you have it. We hope this video has helped you understand the zero conditional in a real-life context. You're now equipped to use it in your daily English conversations. Keep practicing, and soon, using zero conditional will feel like second nature. Until our next grammar adventure, keep learning, and keep growing.